The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. There are 3 ways to use the power rear gate on your Subaru: from the driver's seat, with your key fob, and at the rear of the vehicle. To operate your power rear gate from the driver's seat, first unlock your Subaru. If the doors are locked, the power rear gate will not open, and you'll hear 3 beeps. Now press the power rear gate button located to the lower left dash panel. Press the power rear gate button anytime while the gate is opening to pause the gate. Pressing the button again will close the gate. As a safety feature, you cannot pause the gate while it's closing or the gate will reopen. To open the power rear gate with the fob, simply press and hold the power rear gate button. To pause the gate, press the button again. Pressing the fob a 3rd time will close the gate. Again, as a safety feature, you cannot pause the gate while it's closing, and pressing the button will cause the gate to reopen. To open the gate from the rear of the vehicle, make sure the doors are unlocked or that you have the fob with you. Press the rear gate opener button above the license plate area. The rear gate will open automatically. You can simultaneously close the rear gate and lock your Subaru by pressing the lock button.